Did we?
Yeah.
As in live?
Yeah.
That's everyone from the Discord, isn't it?
Probably.
Oh my god. He said it as well. Is that where you just saw it?
No, I didn't know. Where did he say it?
My cousin said you can't hear nothing on stream.
Oh, mad. Okay, well, we're back. I literally saw it and I was like, nothing's moving on my audio mixer. What's going on? Try to talk.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's fine. That works.
Should be good, bro.
I did not. Did he message you? Because I didn't see a message. I was
It's
like,
on the group.
oh, mad. Jesus. That's quite annoying, that. Really annoying. I should have checked it. Damn. Rookie mistake, man. Rookie error. Rookie error. Error. Also, where's your camera? There it is. Okay. Let's do this. Error. Okay, cool. Right, great. We've done it. We have done it. Oh, gold. GBPJPY. Is it going to take the highs that you said? Potentially. I don't know if you've seen the stream as well. It looks a lot cleaner now. I've taken all the banners off and stuff. That's why actually the scenes are different, because I had to add an extra scene to it.
How many people are watching now?
We lost them because they're weak. Well, they couldn't hear anything because they.
Everyone.
Yeah. Well, it makes sense. I mean, if you can't hear anything, you're not staying for long. Very unfortunate. Hold on. Let's try to get more viewers by plugging it on gold.
Yeah, that's good. With the transparent text, us in the corner. Yeah, turn that better.
Click me. That's what I'm gonna go for. Click me. Sent it on gold. I just put click me.
It's all about the Forex chat, bro.
It is, bro. That's that's our highest thing. Also, can you check if you can do 1080 60p? 1080 60 frames.
I can't. What do you mean? As in, you mean on the YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube playback. Yeah. Because obviously I've changed the scene, so I need to make sure that it's working properly.
Man, I missed my GJ trade because I was busy analysing for the stream. Fucked up.
He messed up. What, missed GJ trade? I thought you. Oh yeah. I see. React to this block or break it this low. Oh well, he could win, but you could look for targeting the highs instead. It's an even bigger trade.
Yeah, it's 1080.
Nice. Yeah, you could look to target this level over here. Sorry, not target this level over here. Buy from that level and target these highs up here. Potentially.
Hey guys, we're live on YouTube if you're bored.
There we go. Fill up the chat a little bit. www.
Scam!
What? Scam.
Fake W's. That's kind of... Yeah,
www. I was like, scam? What's going on? What scam? What are you talking about? What are you chatting about?
I show what I missed on GJ.
Aye.
Because I was too busy explaining the weekly thing and what was going on.
You do you, brother.
So I'm still waiting for this area here. Like I said, I prefer buys today. Yeah, so look, it cleared this liquidity perfectly up here. You could say it matched it.
Matched it, I would say, but yeah, cleared it.
Yeah,
Depends on how you look at it.
just about cleared it. We attracted more sellers here, took them out again. And then as soon as we broke it, we broke downwards, leaving this void here. This order block, sorry. Price just about grazed into it. Just about. You can barely see it. It pushed into it. Then the entry would have been on this low. Target, of course, 1 to 2. Yeah, would have smashed through it.
Damn, that's unfortunate.
Not bad.
9Vs, where did the other 3 come from?
Trading you, brother.
No, I mean, like, there's... Oh. Hello, hello, hello. Let's do it. What did you did you share it on TradingView as well?
Yeah.
Oh, you did.
This guy goes, we are not bored, we are desperate. If you go on the Forex chat and you scroll up, we're not bored, we are desperate.
That's a good one. Oh my goodness. We're not bored, bro. We're trying to get some signals.
Let's see if I can type again. Hey guys, if you're desperate for signals.
Hey guys, if you're desperate, it's... Okay, as for pound Aussie dollar, so I'm now expecting a retracement up over here. Just above this this level, 61.8. Because obviously in the 15 minute it doesn't look too special, but if you look at the 4 hour, you can see we do have the VWAP actually about that would retrace it once going back up. Obviously we have a high volume noted here as well, so quite a lot of things going for it. As well, if you can see, it's actually like a 4 hour level with 2 candles bodies over here rejecting it. So technically how I trade, that's actually where the market rejected the level, not here, not here, not here. Right, here's a candle body on the 4 hour time frame. So there you go. So we have like 4 confluences going for us for this sell. Obviously we also have the overall bearish bias of the market creating lower highs over here. Yeah, loads and loads of confluences lining up for pound Aussie dollar. It's actually, to be fair, lining up to be an amazing quarter for me anyways. I'm not sure about, I don't know sure about the rest of the people, but yeah, it's lining up to be quite good. A lot of like big moves.
You're saying it's been nice to trade with?
It's been so far very nice to trade, yeah.
Let's see. As in, like,
bro,
whenever I look at GA, it's just trends and trends and trends.
No, it trends
like...
and then consolidates for years, and then a trend and it consolidates for years. Like, I'm just, yeah, you're just literally looking for the breakout for you know, for GA. GA is one of those very, very volatile pairs. It's like a baby gold. That's what it is. Like, you can see this move. How big do you think this move is? It's probably going to be like 70 pips or 100 pips or something. Oh, never mind, 170.
Which move? I can't see a screen.
Oh.
So.
Hold on.
I like how it's got its own personality though. It seems different to everything else.
It's got its own personality. Oh, yeah. Cute guy.
It does. GA.
Alright, hold on. Yeah, so GA, you can see this move right here. Yeah, how big do you think this move is from up here? Without using maths. Yeah, don't use maths.
How big do I think it is?
Yeah, how?
It's 15 and probably like 100.
100 pips. Hold on, I think you're wrong. I think it's like 200 or 300 or something. 320 pip move, bro. That's insane.
Jeez, that's mad.
See, that's just literally from just support right here. That's all it was. It wasn't even a major move as well. It was just support.
That was within like 12
This
hours.
is a major move right here. 500 pips.
Saying that, GJ did 200 pips in like a minute.
Yeah, but how yeah, how what's it called, current is that? How often does that happen?
Oh, you're saying GA does it all the time?
Yeah, GA does it all the time. GA is one of the most volatile pairs I've seen ever. It's literally like so close to gold. Gold is like, it's not far off from gold, to be honest. Like, and this is obviously like a 169 pip move just from base. So it literally isn't far from gold. I love trading.
GJ did 500 pips in 45 minutes the other day.
It's got nothing
Can
on
you
Bitcoin.
believe that?
Is
Can you
literally,
believe
yeah,
that?
that's insane. But none of those things got
GJ, how long
anything
have we been
up,
looking at GJ? Like, it never does that. 500
There
pips.
you go. How do you even calculate the points on Bitcoin, bro? There's like 28,000
Yeah,
points.
like, there's no point trying it.
2,846 pips for Bitcoin on this one move. Okay.
It's probably something like 200 in comparison, isn't it?
Big money moves. Yeah, big money moves, bro. Bitcoin is insane. I love trading it though, so you can see that I love trading volatile pairs. You see that straight away. I love the risk.
Bitcoin, US 30, oil.
I love the risk, bro. Yeah, I was looking at oil. Let's see if I actually got that right. I don't think I did. I think I got this one wrong. Unfortunately. Quite brave considering we have viewers now showing my mistakes. Oh dear.
Oh no, bro, don't show your losses. Come on. You got to show the win from 2 months ago.
Astro Effect style. You can see, where is my arrow? Yeah, you can see. I mean, I kind of a little bit got it right. So, after the push up last week, I was looking for a small pull back down to here, a continuation up. However, it didn't continue all the way up. It actually rejected this high volume node on the left here. Sucks, but it is what it is. And now it's back up to where it started. SPX. See, this is how good the week quarterly has been. Even things I don't properly trade yet, things I've just backtested, are lining up so well. S&P lined up quite well. Dixie, not at all. Dixie is a sucky one, to be honest. Dixie just keeps going up, man. What's
Dixie.
Everyone's favourite pair to trade? That is the question, isn't it? I'm guessing it's GJ, sorry. Everyone loves to trade GJ.
I was looking in the chat actually. What they're talking about a certain pair.
Do you know why
EU,
everyone loves
GU.
GJ? Yeah, GU and G. Yeah.
EU. Yeah, Euro USD is a popular one. That's a big one.
Everyone loves GJ because I feel like Rajat Banks made it popular. That's honestly, I feel like that's what
Was
happened.
he? Maybe it could have been.
I feel like he made it popular. That's why everyone loves trading it. I honestly don't see any quick, really clean moves in GJ often, to be honest.
Yeah.
And most of the time, it leaves me behind, dickhead.
Yeah, I'm telling you, GU's the one now.
To use the one.
I'm gonna make GU popular. Forget GJ now. GU's.
Nah. I'm gonna make GA popular, bro. It's gonna be the highest traded.
What?
It's
GA?
gonna be a major currency pair because of me.
Oh, what? You're literally gonna change the definition.
I'm gonna change it, bro. It's
GA
gonna be
is not major.
It's gonna be major, bro. It's gonna be the majorist currency pair out of all of them.
The majorist. Wait.
Commissions are gonna be everywhere. Gonna be 0. Spread's gonna be 0 because everyone just trades it that much. They just put ads on it every time they. They just put ads on the chart every time you trade GA. That's how they're gonna do it.
Some guy replied to me in the chat. He goes, "How to climb on a ladder seminar." What? What's he trying to say?
I have no idea, bro.
Basically, I said, "Hey guys, if you're desperate," for a joke. I said, "Hey guys, if you're desperate, we're live on YouTube." He goes, "How to climb on a ladder seminar." What?
Bulls, prepare to strike back. No. Whoever's trying to trade against me on the gold chat, go away. Go away. Stop trying to trade against me. Someone said we're strike out.
Do you reckon there's a course for climbing a ladder?
Climbing a ladder?
Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe it means corporate ladder? I don't know, man. That's weird. That's very weird, you know. Okay, we had 11 views altogether. Not all at once, but altogether, so...
You need to just keep plugging it every day in the trading.
Yeah, I reckon eventually someone would stick in.
There's always someone who joins.
Yeah. Because they're all...
Like,
they're not bored, bro. They're desperate. They need it.
Then, like you said, I don't know if that guy's in the stream, but... I feel you, bro. I've been there.
I've been there. I've been through this, my G.
Let's see, can I reply to this guy? How do you reply? Oh yeah, click this one.
I think Dixie to enter new territory is likely to reinforce support level. No, Dixie entering new territory would mean gold pushes back down. The heck? That's weird. If you're gonna use other pairs to analyze other pairs, you better know their correlation.
Yeah. Well, as he said the exact opposite.
Yeah, you says like because Dixie's pushing up, reaching new territories, the support for gold should hold. No, Dixie is literally the opposite of gold. That's literally their correlation. It's
Yeah.
negative. The hell?
Desperate, bro. Desperate.
Oh, they are. 1600. To be honest, 1600 is not a bad target, to be honest. Bro, they're actually fighting over here. They're actually scrapping. 1600. Let's go, Bulls. While it's pushing down. The poor guy. Fight back, Bulls. Oh, bro, it's just funny. What a knife. Yeah, it stabbed your bull, bro. It's stabbed your bearish entry.
Yeah, let me see. What are these guys talking about?
Go on the gold trading
It
chat.
sounds like the most random stuff I've heard.
Let's go, Bulls. Bro.
What a knife.
What is this? What
a knife.
Fractals? I swear fractals are like lagging indicators as well, by the way. I'm not too sure though.
Why didn't you say it? Hey guys, we're about to analyze gold.
No, we've analyzed gold, that's the thing.
I mean, just for these guys. Bro, what a knife.
For all the bears out there.
This guy's ruthless. He's putting hammer emojis, bro.
Yeah. If you're bearish, join the call. Join the stream. Bull's not welcome.
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. That is very smart. Then it's gonna get both sides to join.
Let's see this clickbait, bro.
That is clickbait.
See this clickbait. So if you're a bull, guys, so this is what we're expecting for you to get tapped out. However, if you're bearish, you can see here that we're actually trading below the VWAP over here. We're overall very bearish on the market right now. If you look at the lower time frame as well, as we establish the overall trend, you can see that we've created buy side liquidity up here. We've taken the buy side liquidity, continued back down, took it again actually one more time, and now we're kind of just consolidating for it to break this support level for the continuation back down. That's what we're expecting. Overall targets is 1611, but overall targets for the month, if you look at the 1 month over here, the weekly targets are over here at 1611, and then overall 1480 by the end of the year. So very big bearish targets over here. Obviously, not all in one trade, but you know, there's a lot of room for bulls, for bears. So good luck, everyone.
Some guy replied to you on the chat.
Did he? No, he didn't.
I don't know if he's a bull or a bear. He just put a crying face. Alright, back on our website.
Bro, it was a clickbait. If you were in the stream, you got clickbaited.
These guys in the gold chat seem alright. They seem chill. There's a programmer there. There's a portfolio website where he publishes analysis.
Yeah, sick, sick. We are falling on gold though, which is quite good. Not a lot, but we're back at around like 0.2% profit. So this is our entries, by the way. If you can see, we entered yesterday. We're just holding the trade. If you wanna have a quick look, so our entries at 1674, stop loss at 1690, take profit 1611 for this week. Don't think we're going to reach it this week. We're probably going to reach the end of the sell side support over here at 1660, which someone actually called 1660 take profit, which I think for the week is actually reasonable, but in terms of overall targets, I think it's quite I don't know what's that called, not stingy. Not stingy. What's it called?
Do you want it to go
too
further
low?
Than the target?
Yeah, it's too low, I reckon. I think they need a higher target than that. I mean, a longer target than that. So yeah, that's the overall trend right now.
So if this doesn't, if this pushes down, you're gonna make sure you move to break even before the week finishes.
So by the time, if it reaches this sell area over here, I will be moving my stops to break even. I'll be up a few hundred by then, 142 pips by then. So there's really no point of not moving to break even. Plus, it'll be almost at 1-to-1 at that point. At the end of the week, there's so many confluences why I should move to break even. So I will be moving to break even at that point.
What if it stays here? Are you still gonna move?
If it stays here, I'll just hold it over the week. Probably get tapped out on for London Open for Monday, but oh well, it's a risk we're willing to take. But yeah, chances are it does fall from here though. If you look at the 15-minute right here.
GJ now, GJ.
Yeah, 15-minute right here. It's actually breaking structure. Yeah.
I'll show show my screen.
Yeah,
I'll
go
show my
for it.
GJ.
Go for it.
Yeah,
Go for it.
GJ. Like I said on GJ, I was looking for buys simply because we've got a perfect box here, which I don't like. You see, it's just too perfect. So I looked at the box and I
Don't
thought,
like perfection.
this box is too square. It needs to be taken out because there's people with stop losses here. Buyers are waiting for price to clear this area to catch, 30, 40 pips. Sellers have definitely placed their stop losses here in terms of intraday. So I think it needs to be taken out. And since we've pushed down so far already for the week, like I said, 500 pips in an hour. It's crazy. I feel like we need some let back on it. So we need to push back a little. And for that reason, I'm looking for buys from this buy area right now on the 15-minute. As you can see, the retracement's been quite slow too. It hasn't been like, you haven't done this. It's taken time. It's taken as much time as it took on the way up. For that reason, I think it's a good reason to take longs.
For that reason,
hopefully it doesn't clear this.
if it does clear, obviously that means the trade is null and voided. It's not a
Yeah.
good trade, so we just obviously just let it go.
Jeez.
There you
Now
go.
I'm not
See,
taking it.
we just let it go. Nice.
That's
simple.
why you wait for more confirmation.
That's
That's
nice and
why I
simple.
wouldn't do something like this. I'm not gonna do that. No, I'm joking.
Nice
Yeah,
and
like some people do this. They trade straight off the order block. I mean, I guess if you combine it with higher time frames properly, you could get a decent win rate. But personally, I feel like what's the point? Why would you do that? Because I don't like the notion of being stopped out in a second. I hate. That's what would have happened here.
To be honest, I probably would. Hold on, my mic got disconnected. 1 second.
Hey, you were saying that last time, weren't you? You might prefer getting stopped out straight away.
I prefer to get stopped out straight away rather than
Even I said that to you. I don't know why.
having like I mean it's like the shock in it. You're like, oh my god, I just lost. The hell.
Yeah, it's trickier. I think if I wasn't on streams, then I wouldn't care. But since we're on streams, I don't want people to be, taking on my ideas and then just again stop straight away, because I feel like they wouldn't return at all. They'll be like, fuck this guy, I'm never coming back. Yeah. And like I said, especially with scalping, if you get taken out like that, chances are you're getting slipped.
That is true.
Already high.
That
The
is
spread's
true.
already high, bro.
Your lot size are insanely high as well.
You're gonna lose double what you planned to.
Facts. That is true. You got a point. Bro, why is they've still not like accepted my stream request, on TradingView? Like, not that I care, but I want my stream request, bro. Is it that exclusive? I'm not allowed.
Maybe they've emailed you.
Oh, someone just followed me because of it. Lol. Huh. It's funny.
On TradingView.
Yeah. Hold on. Here's a clip. Bear's not allowed to watch it. Someone replied to me. Here's a clip of me catching that knife. Bear's not allowed to watch it, by the way. He used the same
Nice.
clickbait as me, dickhead.
Oh wait, he did the opposite way, did he?
He had the same clickbait as me, man. What the heck? You're not allowed to clickbait the same way as me. We trade gold. Check our live stream if you're bored trading alone. And then someone replied to me saying, where is it? It's gone. Okay, never mind. He said, we trade gold. Check out our live if you're bored trading alone. I trade in fruit and veg. Check out my store if you're bored and alone. That's what he said.
What?
Yeah, someone just.
What have I just heard?
I don't know, bro. I don't know, man. I don't know. Someone just replied that to me yesterday or 2 days ago whenever I streamed.
Yeah, this uninvited guest guy is saying markets managed to scare the tough boys this year. Crazy and uncertainty has messed up lots of trading systems.
What's this?
He's just saying on the Forex show. He's saying the markets messed up a lot of trading systems this year
No,
because
it
of uncertainty.
Screw you and your market system, bro.
Who knows? Maybe it has. The majority.
Maybe.
I don't know.
That's why I said be your own edge, right?
And then
Don't let
they
strategy
just start
edge.
talking about neurotransmitters.
Damn.
And endorphins. I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah, this is what I mean. Like, don't let your strategy be your edge. Be your own edge.
Yeah.
Traders do it,
Bruh,
stealing their
Forex,
Rav. Traders.
Forex market is like waves, liquid and smooth on bigger time frames. It will always be chaotic on 15 minutes. Sort of true.
How's that like waves though?
That uninvited guest is like the dad of this chat.
How?
He's funny
Which
as
chat
shit.
is it? The Forex,
Yeah.
the gold chat, or
No, Forex.
just Forex?
Big boy chat with about 8 million in it. I don't know. No one mentions what pair they're looking at. They're just saying random stuff. Unless everyone's looking at EU and they just know, like an inside thing.
Euro USD is a big one, to be fair. You're taking 50% even though you're... Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Risk management, brother.
I mean, to be fair, actually, with this stop loss, yeah, to be fair, makes sense. That's probably a 1 to 13 trade, you know?
Overall, yeah.
If London sent...
Yeah, this uninvited guest is saying make sure you analyze Dixie first. That's a good thing.
Let's see what this guy's about. Let's look at his profile.
He's got some posts. Now you're thinking about it.
Try to post my analysis on there. Oh, hold on. Copy chart link. There we go. Yes or no? XAUUSD. What do you think I'll say?
What did you say?
Let's check the Forex and you'll see me on there. You'll see me in the Forex chat, bro. Unpopular. 8 million people can see me.
Oh, you sent your chart. You sent your gold thingy in the Forex. So what's going on, bro?
Huh?
Was that intentional?
Yeah. I like to see what people say. Go look at them. You want to know what EU, UJGU, and the other three gonna do? Go look at them. And Dixie didn't hit 112. I solely opened all shorts. Trade looking at Dixie, trust me. That's the worst way to like get someone. Just trust me. Trust me on this, man. Dixie will fall.
Trust me, bro. I never trust anybody that says trust me.
No, Dixie works quite well with Euro USD. If you're trading Euro USD, then yeah, look at Dixie. And gold, actually, if you want to trade. But
you said Lamar, my bad, don't trust me.
there we go. Source, trust me, bro. Lamau.
Can you send pictures in there?
You can, I think, yeah.
Oh, that's all good chart.
By the way, everyone, here's a little note for you guys. Dixie is not a good dollar index at all. It's the worst dollar index. It's 50% weighted with euro, right? So if you look at Euro USD, then yeah, look at Dixie. But other pairs, nah, it's not a good what's it called? Index. So unfortunate. But yeah, all these people saying look at Dixie first to trade other pairs. Nah, no, definitely not. It's a good guide, nothing more.
Oh, say, can you see by GUSD?
Let me just start an argument real quick. Dixie is standard when it comes to trading major pairs. I ask why. I'm pretty sure Euro's climbing a little bit. There we go. Yeah, Euro's climbing a little bit. Yo, Euro dollar got shot down. Have you seen it?
Euro dollar.
It's way past below 1. I haven't seen this pair in so long.
It's below 1.
Now they're talking about bomb stuff. What the hell, man?
So you're telling me anyone who had the Euro FTMO account is winning right now?
No, they're absolutely losing, bro.
No.
Yes.
No, I mean like anyone who had the USD account
that paid Euro.
That is paid in Euro.
Yeah, absolutely, bro.
Bro, they're winning.
Yeah, absolutely won.
Shit.
They won life and some more.
From 21, it's shot down from 1.2 to
100%.
1.
Yeah.
And surely most of their traders are European. Surely.
Most likely. I can see a lot of Americans though. I see lots of Americans.
Yeah,
you gotta be joking, man. Everything's
let's look at the FTMO leaderboard. Let's check that out. I like looking at that.
That's true, yeah.
Do you ever want to get on there? You plan to get on there?
Oh yeah, eventually, yeah. I do plan on getting on there. I need at least $500,000 of capital though.
Nah, they have some for the low ones too.
Yeah, but I want to be on the top.
Oh, you mean the first one?
Yeah, I really want to be on the top, bro. I don't want to be like, top of the middle, but, it's alright.
Yeah, true.
I do plan to be on the leaderboard. That's when I really go sicko mode, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I did for, like, my friend's FTMO account, the movie's FTMO account?
Yeah.
Do that, but, like, not in Showdown. Crazy how I would have passed it in a day, though.
You just scalping like crazy.
Oh, right, it was a mad one.
It's mad, isn't it? Like, when you just go ham, you realize the potential. Like, what the fuck's going on? Like, do you remember that one time I did it on gold? I was like, this trend line here, the head and shoulders here. What's going on? Oh, that's crazy. You get a proper adrenaline rush, though.
Yeah.
You know when you do that? At the end of the day, you're like, what the fuck? I'm so tired. FTMO loaded.
What is gold doing? Oh, I'm starting an argument. I'm causing beef, bro. I'm causing beef. Let's go. Love it.
Again, bro.
I love it.
Are you on the gold chat now?
No, I'm on a Forex chat, bro. He's chatting. He's saying that, He said, it takes time to learn that part, but Dixie is troublemaker for most major pairs. I don't think it is. I remember when I just used to argue on a gold chat for no reason at all, just because I was bored trading. Yes, yeah. Yes. Because everyone used to be so toxic, and everyone's going like,
he replied to you. He said, Euro is funded currency, dollar is used collateral in most countries, I guess.
No, not really. No, it's just not as relevant.
I need to learn more before I participate in this conversation. He's on about collateral in most countries. I have no idea what he's on about.
Basically, they're saying it's more of a... What's it called?
I know he's saying it's more like something to do with like a reserve currency or something like that, but I don't know the full workings of that.
Reserve currency really is. I mean, for most countries, I suppose, you can say that because most Euro countries have Euro in it, so I guess.
Yeah, that's obvious.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't think that is the case. I'm just gonna put maybe.
Yeah, just say trust me, bro.
Yeah.
Trust me, bro. I'm not lying. Boosh!
Oh, the gold is dropping all around us.
Mm-hmm.
I bet people are gonna be mind blown by this.
What are you putting in the chat now?
I'm literally just flipping the Dixie and be like, is this Euro USD, guys? No. Oh, no chart walls, please. Post each chart separately. Oh.
He said half of third world countries are in debt to World Bank. What you make of that? Oh, is the World Bank in?
That wasn't at me, though.
He's talking about you, basically.
Yeah.
That's a good point. I remember we were taught that in economics.
It's because Germany's bloody rich, that's why.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why is Germany rich?
Bro, they have insane, like, exports. Their import-export, their
yeah.
balance is insane. I mean, like, bro, they make every single car out there. They're basically they're not the China. They're the high premium China of Europe. That's what they are.
High premium China. Saying that China eventually will probably take over all that stuff.
You think?
In terms of manufacturing cars as well.
No, I reckon China falls soon, bro.
Will they?
I reckon China falls soon, bro.
Mate,
they're not like bloody invincible, like, bro. They have
they're smarter when it comes to teaching their children, making sure everyone. When I look at Asian people, I always think they're all aligned with one goal.
They are.
Like, they're so much more focused on making the country.
They're more indoctrinated, bro. You know, in the Philippines, we used to like recite how how proud we are to be Filipinos.
That's
every
it.
Day.
That's what I'm saying. I always had that idea.
Every single day, bro. Every morning. That's what we do.
I always thought that. I thought when these guys come to England, America, it feels like they're still patriotic in the sort of way.
Oh, I'm not. But yeah, no, we had to recite every single day.
That makes sense.
Why, we are, one, loyal to our country, and two, why we love our country. And the reasons why we should love our countries as well.
Obviously, it sounds like something from 1984.
We celebrate being Filipino every single year. You don't really do that in the UK here, really.
Celebrate what?
Being Filipino every single year or something.
Yeah,
it's
people.
I don't know, something
it's
like
a joke here to not like being British, isn't it? The weather, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, I still feel like
do
even with that, it doesn't mean you're gonna have a good economy. And to be fair, everything in China is just collapsing, bro. They're bloody.
Are they?
I mean, their real estate crashed quite a bit. I think they're not allowing withdrawals anymore in the country. They stopped withdrawals for a bit, like cash withdrawals for some time. I'm not sure if it's still happening, but they did. Yeah, China was falling for a split second there, man.
Yeah, man.
But it's easier to hide, though, isn't it? It's so much easier to hide all that when you control the media.
That's it. That's the thing. They're obviously more productive and everything else, but it feels much more.
Yeah.
What's the word? Dictatorial.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
I've never been there, so I wouldn't know. Who knows what it's actually like?
For I know,
you ever been China?
No.
Would you ever go?
Yes, I would.
Who knows? You might get kidnapped, bro.
Huh? I look like one of them, so it's all good, innit? They'd be like,
by the time I go there,
what?
by the time I go there, I'll be so famous to be like, This guy can't run.
Oh, he's a local.
He needs to go. He needs to go. Oh yeah, you. That's true. You'll get away with it, bro.
He's a local, bro. Don't worry about it.
But can you tell the difference, though? Because you're
Yes,
Filipino.
of course. Yeah, I can tell.
When you look at Japanese versus the Chinese.
Yeah. No, you can see them. You can see
Really?
the differences. Yeah, there's different.
In, like,
there's like
really
small
easily.
differences, but if you grow up to see the differences, you know the differences basically. Sometimes, obviously, you get it wrong. The same way if, let's say, a British person comes up to me and they actually end up being German, then I'm like, oh, whoops. Sometimes you get it wrong, but there are factors where they're like, one mannerism's a bit different, two, some physical features are different. But yeah, you can tell.
It's sort of like that with Indians and Bangladeshis, but even that is tricky. It's actually tricky.
No, 100%.
Indians are much more. You're able to tell them apart, but Bangladeshis and Pakistanis, they're much more similar.
I don't know. I don't know.
Indians, I feel like it's much more obvious when someone's Indian or not.
Honestly, I won't be able to. I don't know. Again, I didn't live like trying to need to tell the difference. Just same way as like I struggle to tell different Europeans apart.
Yeah.
But because I lived in Asia, it's easier for me to like tell other Southeast Asia or stuff apart. Yeah.
It's the same with like probably Brazilians, Chilis, and all them guys down there, Argentinians.
Probably hard to tell apart. Yeah.
I feel like people just forget about that side of the world. South America.
Yeah, I mean America.
So like, you just forget it exists. It's mad.
That is true. I mean, you don't forget about Brazil if you love football, because let's be honest, Brazil is one of the best football nations out there.
Yeah.
But other than that, I mean, they have the Amazon rainforest. That's pretty cool. I want to live in the Amazon rainforest just for a bit,
The lungs of the earth.
The lungs of the earth. Is that what they called?
That's what they call it, I think.
Shall we cut it down? We don't need lungs to survive, really, if you think about it.
Yeah.
We just need oxygen support, innit? Like, put a tank in us or something. I don't know.
We just replace the lungs.
Yeah, we don't need no lungs, bro. What if?
Hot take.
What if we go to the moon, right? Yeah. And we plant loads of trees, and we just shoot all the oxygen from the moon all the way down to Earth.
That is a good idea.
You know what I mean? Why can't we just do that?
We'll hire Elon Musk to sort that shit out.
Bro, all he's got to do is get a rocket, orbit the moon. But
all he needs is a long tube, bro.
Bro, no. Hear me out. Yeah. Okay, so he needs to just put loads of like saplings in the rocket, right? And just like go orbit the moon using his rocket or his satellite or whatever, and just keep dropping little saplings here and there, and I don't know, just crap ton of soil, and then boom, it's gonna grow eventually. It's gonna start producing oxygen.
What about the water?
What?
Water. I
mean, the moon is like, what? It's got ice in the moon, right? You got ice.
I think so. I read that somewhere.
Just melt that, and you're good.
Just hover over it with your rocket, melt the ice.
Yeah, exactly. Just park it, bro. Just park it for a bit. And then, like, just get seal it in a dome, glass dome, and like a dome, like, with a spout on it, just shooting the oxygen into the earth, bro. Easy win.
Easy dome.
I should be a scientist, bro. I shouldn't be a trader. Nah, I'm in the wrong industry, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, I realize I'm in the wrong industry. I should be a scientist, not a trader.
Is it time to go to the moon?
Bro, I think I might. How much is charging for it?
Thing
£1 million?
I used to want to be a doctor, but then one day I realized if I ever get so big that I discover a serious cure, the Illuminati will get me.
Yeah, but if you ever get so big... I genuinely
know. This is serious. I wanted to be a doctor for my whole life, and one day I sat there in year 9. I was like, wait, if I find the cure for, let's say, cancer or eczema, they won't even release it. They'll say to you, no. no, mate, we're making money from this. We're
Yeah.
not letting you release it. Because think about how much money they spent on cancer, all these diseases, and they purposefully advertise junk food, this and that. They don't want people to be healthy. I genuinely sat there in year 9. I was 14 years old. I was like, my whole life I thought I was going to be a doctor. Then I thought, wait, if I ever do something, they're not gonna they're not gonna let me promote it anyway.
Yeah, that's true. I don't believe Illuminati is real. I don't believe there's a.
Not
I
Illuminati, but I
personally
mean,
don't believe that there's people in the background controlling everything. I feel like it's separate.
Right at the top there are. Right.
No, I feel like there's separate, different. So like one, obviously, one maybe like one group controls the media, the other controls like let's say medicine, but they're not all together. They're not all in on it. Like let's all make money together. Way Power Rangers, like you know, reunite. Nah, I think they all have their own agenda. Because I don't believe that humans can really work together at that extent. I don't think so. I think they'll start arguing and they'll start showing their true colours, and then they mess up their plan, and then
Yeah.
If there
One day I want to figure out how it all works. I want to figure out like what's actually going on. How high up do you have to go to see these evil figures? What's going on?
I mean,
So I used to be sus of everyone. I used to think like most rappers that are really popular are involved, but then I realized maybe it's not. It's probably just people tell them to do things and they just do them.
no,
There's
to
no actual
get popular.
No, like for example, like you know how you see in some music videos, there's literally, what you call it? What's the upside down cross called again?
The what?
The upside down cross.
There's a name for it. Mad.
Yeah. No, there is the anti something.
Anti-cross, anti-Christ, and
Upside down cross. I swear there's a name for it.
I don't know, bro. But I want to watch
Basically,
a horror.
Antichrist, isn't it?
You're making me want to watch a horror movie, but yeah, carry on. Sorry.
Yeah, I used to watch Bear then.
Did you?
No, but I think what happens is they obviously signed the deal, and in the deal it says you have to follow our ideas for the music videos. Every now and then we're gonna give you the lyrics. You have to sing these.
Yeah.
Or they say we're gonna promote you more if you talk about these things. That's true, isn't it?
I'm sure they do. Yeah.
They know for a fact, like if we rap about these things or this, we're gonna get pushed more. But I don't think they've met shadowy figures. Like when it comes to rappers,
Yeah.
I think they're too low down to, if they were real, like be in contact with them.
I think. What's it called? I mean, if that's the case, and they're outwardly performing quote unquote antichrist imagery, wouldn't that prove that they're antichrist, and therefore, if they are antichrist, that there was a Christ? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I believe in that as well. I believe in I think right at the top, there's obviously the devil influence involved. I'm just wondering, how has it all happened? Has he actually? I don't know. You know what I mean?
Watch Lucifer, bro. You might find out how he does it.
That's pollution in my mind. I don't want.
It's not. It's really not. It does
Satan.
teach.
It's glorifying Satan.
It does teach you to think. Oh, actually, you know what? He's not that bad.
You know
of a
what?
guy.
Lucifer's a cool guy. You know.
He owns a strip club, innit?
This guy's got a nightclub. You know? That's literally the purpose of it. Let's be honest.
It is, yes, but I know what I believe, so I'm not phased.
Yeah, but like I said, I don't really talk about it that much nowadays. I used to be always that conspiracy guy, but now I don't talk about it that much because it just puts people off. It's like, bro, stop being that.
Yeah. I mean, like to each your own, innit?
Yeah, if there's people who agree with me, then I'll talk about it more.
Yeah.
But if I know someone probably like is a robot, he's never heard of this stuff, I probably just won't mention it.
Yeah. I prefer. I like to talk about it. I like to discuss it. I like to put my point of view forward as well. Because we have opposites things. So I don't believe anyone's controlling anything. I feel like everyone's got their own mind, and then they're doing their own thing. If they're doing something that, you know, like let's say like Ariana Grande is doing some sort of music video that performs like antichrist things, it's because she knows that she'll get more popular by doing that. Do you reckon? I feel like.
Yeah, but doesn't the label control her music videos? I'm pretty sure.
I suppose so, yeah. I mean, therefore, the label knows that she's going to get more views because of it. Because of the conspiracy whole thing, where, like, people are going to be like, oh, look at this. They're going to analyze it, blow it up.
Basically. Oh, yeah, that's another thing that I had a theory, like, the reason they do that stuff in the videos so blatantly, like the Antichrist, stuff about the devil, all this. Maybe it's a purposeful thing so that people don't want to pursue success. It's to continue that idea
Maybe.
that money is evil. You know what I mean?
Maybe.
Because realistically, if there was an agenda, they wouldn't openly put it in videos.
That's the thing, actually. Is money
You know
evil?
what?
Is money evil?
It's not. I don't agree, but I think that's what they're trying to say.
Yeah.
It's like if you look at every I was thinking on it. If you look at every movie, mainstream movie to do with money, for example, Wolf of Wall Street, The Big Short, you know, the popular ones that are to do with making a lot of money. They always have a twist on it so that you view, so that it puts
a bad taste in your mouth.
A bad taste in it. Like for example,
Yeah.
Wolf of Wall Street. You've seen that. Gets
Yeah.
drunk, starts is high all the time. This and
Yeah.
that. He eventually loses everything. The Big Short. Right at the end, after these guys have made all the money, it shows people killing themselves, jumping off buildings and.
Yeah. No, I don't think like money makes you evil.
I don't think that.
I think it brings out your inner demons. I would say like with
Yeah, it amplifies you, innit?
everything you wanted before. It's now within your reach. So all your subconscious thoughts that you never would have thought of doing because you didn't have the finance to do it, you end up doing
Yeah.
it. So yeah, it's a tough thing though, isn't it? Like controlling your ego, controlling it, because like money is also tied to success quite a bit.
But yeah,
So like with high success comes with high money, and then with high success also comes with high ego. So I think that's why it's hard to control. And obviously you can get away with a lot more stuff with success and money behind you.
yeah. That's why it's important as well to have the right people around you once you
Yeah.
become successful.
And for most people out there, for most rich people, you're seen under a microscope as well. So every little thing that you do that's maybe counted as normal would be seen as evil by most.
Oh, you mean like if you're famous or on YouTube?
Yeah. Like for
That's
example,
true.
like let's say you donate like £100 if you're poor, but you tell your friends, they'll be like, "Oh my god, that's amazing, you did." But let's say you donate 100 million if you're rich and you broadcast it to the world, they'll be like either, "Oh, it's just for tax evasion purposes," or "Two, it's just for publicity," and that's it.
Yeah.
And then so
Thing is, would you do that? Like, would you ever? What would be your reason for telling people anyway?
what for like sharing your
Like,
donation?
charity. Yeah.
Well, one, it's a good thing, and two, charity I feel like is a scam because it makes you feel the whole point of it just makes you feel good. I love charity, but the whole point of it is just to make you feel good, and if you're sharing it to the world around you, then it makes you even feel even better because everyone knows how good you are, like how much you've helped.
I mean, I've never had that mindset, if I've ever see.
I don't
give
share.
money-
I don't share.
Yeah,
Like it.
I feel like it's silly. Like if you give money to someone on the street, why would you?
Yeah.
Who gives money to someone? Then later on, they're like, today I gave £5 to a homeless guy.
The only time I will share.
What's the point? Why are you gonna say that?
The only time I will share is like if I can make extra income by sharing, so I can give that extra income to a cause that's needed.
Back to charity, yeah.
That's the only time I'll
That's
share.
it.
Literally, if every single profit that I make from sharing, for example, like Mr. Beast, like does it, if all things go about charity, then I will share it.
Yeah.
It's
Hey,
'cause,
yeah.
yeah. Sorry, carry on.
Nah, carry on.
So like Mr. Beast has got a philanthropy thing.
I've seen that, yeah.
I literally told you I want to do something like that,
Yeah.
but Mr. Beast beat me to it. So, which is what makes sense. He was already
Yeah. I
giving
mean,
out.
a lot of actually, I think he's the main person to do it, isn't he?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, like, if I ever did it, I'll make sure it's either my own company, so I know exactly what's going on, and I know everything's actually being done right.
Yeah.
Or B, probably if I had less money, I would go there myself, like to these countries, and help out and do this.
Yeah.
And that.
So, but anyways, gold right now though. Oh, pushing
Wow.
down. Gold pushing down.
You need to just type in the chat. Told you so.
Oh, should I?
Told you
Trust me.
so. Don't jinx yourself, bro.
Nah, I can. I'm confident
Oh.
enough.
We got a little perfect box here too. Interesting.
Go away with your perfect boxes. That means you want to take it out. I'd be moving to break even by the time this
Ooh.
box
We
gets
got. No, we have taken it out. The bottom of it.
Oh yeah, we have taken it out of the bottom, yeah.
The top side.
Still holding pesky support. Carry correct. Bought at 1688, guys. Wow. 1688. And stop losses where? He bought at the high. No.
Who?
This guy in the chat.
Bought 1668.
Oh, 1668. Oh, I thought 1688. I was like, no way, bro.
Oh, I get what he's done. That's maybe a good workout. This is a liquidity grab. That's why he's done it, isn't it?
I've seen this for FX Sniper before.
Yeah, same.
20 pips plus already. You happy with that, mate? You happy with that?
GB 1675 always going against you, bro.
I know, bro. Oh,
they do call him the sniper.
53 pips, bro. Suck your mother. I'm joking. I don't condone violence. I don't condone trash talking, guys. Buy signal possible soon. Oh, bro, everyone's buying against me, man. What's going on? Stop it. Let me win. I need to get 100% win rate this week.
Isn't that a good thing if most people are against you?
I'm trying to get 100% win rate this week, bro. Yeah, it is a good thing. More liquidity for me.
How many trades you had this week? Anyway.
1. Yes.
Is it your first one?
It's my first one, yeah. I mean, I'm a swing trader. I'm shooting for 700 pips not daily, weekly.
Yeah, what's the risk reward limit?
What? 1 to 4. This one's a 1 to 4.
For the week.
If it goes up back to entry, it's actually a decent. Yeah, it's actually another good entry there. I'm looking to scale in actually, so if it does go up, then I'll scale more. Injecting roids now while it collapses. Oh, the roids didn't work.
Time to inject Pfizer, bro. We need the Pfizer.
Bro, what the hell? Why is everyone trying to buy that? I've been ill for the past 2 weeks, bro. It's horrible. I rarely get ill, yeah.
I didn't notice today.
No, bro, I got like blocked nose and everything. I rarely get ill, and then when I do, it lasts like forever. It's the worst feeling in the world when you get ill. Because I'm not used to it. I'm not used to being ill.
It usually happens to me only when I go to a new place. You know, when you see new people.
Yeah. It's called freshers flu, like this one, I think.
Basically, yeah. But even sometimes if I go to another city.
Yeah. Nah, to be fair, that's true. After a night out in a different city.
I might get a freshers flu, that's true.
Yeah. Nah, my brother just started school, innit? And I've been hanging around with him a lot, so like...
He's got it.
He's got it, and I got him because of it, but yeah.
EJ getting the freshers flu
already.
To
be fair, a sell below this area, if it does break over here, is not a bad call at all. Down past this level over here. If it does break this level, our overall targets would be here first, moving it to break even by the time it reaches this level. So yeah, we'll look at it. Actually, I'll look for a scaling over here. I'll move it to break even and so on and so forth. Let's just make that clean.
What would step 2 be? I'm thinking now.
What do you mean?
I was gonna say, do I just explain what a candle is? I think step 2 would just be explaining what the pair is. What is XAUUSD? What is GBPUSD? For the Discord, basically.
Yeah. There we go. we have a sell signal soon. If it does finish below, we need it to wick up and then push back down again to break those lows, and then we'll be selling.
Back.
Oh, he's gone. He didn't want to see the winning trade. He's too scared to see the winning trade. Hello to whoever's watching. Hello, good morning. Hope you're having a good time. Okay, so yeah, we're just waiting 6 minutes now for us to finish. Let me get my MT5 out. File. Oh crap! I need to sign into my FTMO. Whoopsies. Come on, FTMO credentials. I really hope I'm not showing you my credentials because that'd be awkward. People be able to access my account. Login. Next. Server, FTMO, credentials, copy, finish. There we go. Lovely stuff. Right, let's look at gold on the left here. Gold. Delete that, delete that, delete that, delete that. Gold. There you go. Trade. Now we're just waiting for it to finish now. Come on. Let's actually calculate our lot size. We're not gonna look for any trades until it finishes, actually finishes below here. Okay. You get all these people buying right now, absolutely panicking. It's good for us. We love people panicking. Calculator out as well. There we go. XAU. There we go. 3 minutes for this candle to finish below. By the way, guys, I actually already have a position open. We're up around $100, so around 0.01% for this trade. We're just waiting for it to 0.01? No, 0.01%. Looking for a scale in here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. I don't normally take breakout trades, but this is a scaling, so I don't mind. I'll only be using 25% on my original risk on this one, and then moving the rest to break even. There's no really point for me to give money back to the market here. Okay, well, or just leave us. You know, that's fine too. So, yep, great stuff. Let me enter next. Yeah, thanks, mate. Okay. The bears have disappeared. Look at the chat on the right. I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the chat on the right. The bears have all disappeared now. This guy's close to getting a stop loss hit, man. He is scared right now. Okay, so now what we do is, okay, so if this finishes below, okay, of this level, hold on, let me just get my, if this finishes below this level, right, what we're waiting for is a bit of a pullback up to this level, and then once we break this candle low, we'll look for sell stops down that level, right? Because that means there's actually momentum to actually continue down on gold here. So we'll see. Sell signals on hourly 45-minute. Oh my goodness. As soon as it starts selling, they switch up here. Hilarious. Come on. 40 minutes left. I will still look at actually selling here because we still have, after we break this level here, we still have loads of room to go to the downside, as you can see here, all the way down to 1660. And obviously all the way down to our take profit, which is 1611 over here. So we still got loads of room. So it's still a reasonable thing to sell here. So let's do that. Forex is a lot of waiting, man. Loads of waiting here. Broke these candle lows on the left here. It looks like we're about to finish below as well. I really wanted a bit of a, you know, a longer bottom wick there, but it's fine. It's fine. It works. Now let's wait for a deep retracement here, a deep pullback here. So really grab liquidity here. Grab the early the sellers that trying to catch a falling knife. Here we go. There it is. So our entries will have sell stops below here. Short positions here. Stop loss previous candle high. Moving it to break even once it reaches this level. And then obviously letting it carry on all the way down. Okay, that's exactly what we wanted there. Stop loss is at 1670. 1670.168. So 16, take profit, let's just go 166. Is it 166? 1660. For now, we'll look to do a pending order. Pending order 0.3, price at around 1666.20. Stop loss at 1670.16. We'll take profit, leave it open for now. So stop. Okay, we'll anticipate price to continue driving down over here. So once we break this level over here, we can anticipate price to continue back down. And we only have 129 pips for price. Yeah. For us to move it to break even. So yeah, let's look. Let's have a look at this. There you go. A deeper pullback. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Obviously, so our stop loss are above candle high over here, previous candle high. This is exactly what I wanted, a deep pullback right here. Obviously, we haven't entered yet, right? We're still waiting. But yeah, this is a good pullback. This is what we wanted. Potentially all the way up to sell this level that I marked out over here, maybe a bit higher up here, and then for it to continue back down. you'll see over here on the right as well, this gold trading chat, they start to get a bit more hopeful by saying, okay, look at that, we've just missed our stop loss over here, so on and so forth. We're probably going to drive price up back up now, so we'll see. I'm actually moving my original stop loss into break even as well, so let's just do that. There we go, stop loss moved now. Oh dear, I didn't mean to do that actually. Which one was it? I didn't mean to move it that low. I have 2 stop losses, I don't know which one it is. That one. Move over there. There we go. Pending order still here at sell stops. Our indicator is messing up for a massive move. Oh, wow. What move is this guy talking about? The hell is this indicator? Yo, I'm trying to do rocket science out here. What is this? Yo. They got the galaxy and stuff over here, man. Damn. Still not entered in. Quite a slow trade today. Oh my goodness. We're still waiting. Come on. It's taking its time. I'm going on the notion of a deflect, not too far below, and then destruction. Whatever that means. Oh, we have just hovered around this level, man. This is good though. I mean, you know, we're getting, I guess, loads of volume being built up around this level. If you look at the session volume profile, we're starting to create a little node over here for it to potentially reject from next time. And we're also moving the POC lower. It was originally over around here. Now we're moving it a bit lower. Our fair value is also going down as well. So overall, we're very bearish on gold at the moment on this current session. So an extra confluence for us, I guess. It's good for our momentum type trades as well. Let's look at the VWAP as well over here. On the VWAP, we haven't actually retraced up a VWAP here, but we could be, as we just retested this and we just broke this VWAP, here we could be looking for the next lower deviation, which is below our break-even level. So by the time it reaches there, it doesn't matter, we're already at break-even, so if it rejects that level, so be it. But yeah, and a continuation potentially down to 1660, you can see here. It's a lower deviation here, which above the second deviation here. So yeah, plenty of room for price to go down, and by that point we should be around at 1 to 2.1 to 2.5, 1 to 1. That's what I meant, 1 to 1.6. Yeah, sure. Nah, I thought it would be a bit higher than that, but it's fine. It's fine. This guy is predicting 1,000 an ounce. Adeel is back, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to take sells here, by the way. About to take sells. We got a sell stop already below this candle low over here. So we're just waiting for it to finish back down below. And then continuation back down, moving it to break even by the time it reached 1664, which is very close. Very conservative trade, I would say. This guy has said over here on the chat, our indicator is setting up for a massive move. Doesn't say which move it is, but he did say massive move. So whichever side it goes, he got it right.
There's some gold.
Yeah, the gold chat is hilarious.
Where's your sell stop?
My sell stops is at 166205. So
Alright, so as soon as it breaks this candle low.
it should be, yeah, should be good to continue back down. Only at 0.25% of my original risk, as I don't really want to give too much money back into the markets. I don't feel like I need to. The stop loss for this one, I actually went against my original idea. I'm actually moved it to break even already.
Nice.
So
your other positions that break you.
Yeah, because I don't really need to give any money back to the markets. And if obviously if this plays out, I'll move that stop loss over here near the entry point down here, so secure more money. At that point, I think I would secure 100 and something. So not bad, not bad, not good, not bad.
Bad for a day's work.
For a week's work, that is, bro. This is my only trade for the week, man.
Good point.
Imagine going full-time trader just to make 100 a week anyways. Mad.
Exposed.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, does FTMO have that 500k account?
Not yet. I don't think they're selling it yet, you know.
Oh, so
Bro, we actually haven't made this bottom wick yet. We're yet to make it, and it's like 2 minutes from closing. Come on, man.
I rate these guys from like the poorer countries who end up on FTMO leaderboards. You know,
Yeah,
you see a lot of sometimes you see a lot of African ones on there.
Oh, what?
Like some like poor African countries. Can't see any now.
Yeah, it's fair enough, isn't it? There it is, a retest of that level that I marked out over there. Could potentially start collapsing now. However, we do have only 2 minutes for it to break candle lows, for it to continue back down, because it is taking the piss. Bro, it's actually taking the piss, you know.
Hating you, bro.
It actually is. It's supposed to be a scalp strategy, not a blaze swing. Come on, I don't got all day, man. It's the last day. Hurry up.
The stream's about to end, gold. Come on. What you doing?
I'll stay on for an extra 5 minutes if it does enter. It's just so I can move it to break
Yeah,
even.
probably will. I think the next hour's gonna start, so we'll probably get a tiny top wick.
Bro, that's the
we'll
issue, man. That is the issue.
It's the issue.
Yeah, because if it makes a top wick, it's annoying.
Yeah, but then it's better, surely, like compared to if it's closing below now, entering you in, then the hour starts.
True, very true. What's everyone saying in the chat then? They're saying, no, don't. Bulls lurking at 1664. Ooh, I'm scared.
Lurking, bro.
I'm scared, bro. I'm scared. You don't understand, bro. I'm scared. Dixie be popping, skirt, skirt. Hold on, let's see what's Dixie saying. Dixie is popping, bloody hell, man. Jeez.
Towards the upside.
Yeah.
That's a good sign, isn't it?
As expected, though.
All right, yeah. Look at this. How this candle's closing now.
That's what we want. That's what we want.
Wait, so where's your TP? Bro?
TP's all the way down to 14.20. I'm joking. 16.11. So it's gonna be like a 1 to 20 trade.
Damn. Son.
Well, 1 to 13, but 1 to 20 basically sounds better. How I caught a 1 to 20 trade trading Forex live? Bro, clickbait. It's all about the clickbait. What are you talking about?
Yeah.
Worry
Risk reward clickbait is the one.
Risk to reward clickbait, yeah.
Because you're actually technically flexing your percentage as well.
Yeah, not money. Ain't money here. We don't talk about the mullah. I'm actually executing on my computer now rather than my phone because I still am yet to get my charger from my car, so my phone's been dead for a whole day.
It's been a day. What the hell?
It just goes to show, bro. I really don't use my phone much.
How far is your car?
What? Not far at all. Not far at all.
It's
can't be us.
Right outside your door, you're like, nah,
yeah, can't be us, man. I'll get it tomorrow. I need to drive my dad to the hospital today anyway, so like, I'll charge it then. But
fair enough.
Let's go! Let's go! We haven't entered.
You know what you need to do? As soon as you entered, you're like, on that bombshell, we're off.
Yeah, as soon as someone
Good luck with the rest.
On that note, guys, we're done here.
On that note.
Come on. Bro, it just stuck. It's stuck, bro. It hasn't moved. Come on, man. Bro, I can't believe this was the London Open candle, though. Like, what the hell is this? It's like every other candle. Yeah, it looks like every other candle, man.
Yeah. I just don't care about the charts today. I want food.
Bro, you're not eating yet.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm just saying. I've got 9 hours left.
9 hours, indeed. No food, bro. Bro, I don't know. You hear? I'm starving, but we're gonna get through it. I might end up slipping and be like, I actually forgot that I was supposed to, but I'll give it a good go, innit? Sometimes eating, like, it's just subconscious, and you're like, oh crap, didn't even realize I ate that.
That has happened to me before during Ramadan.
Oh, I bet it has, man.
You're walking into your kitchen.
Subconscious, man.
You walk into your kitchen, you literally grab like you know what a date is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I grab a date and eat it, I'm like, hold up. Hold up, what's going on here?
And you're like, you stopped yourself. And at that point, I took it personally.
But then part of it is like, technically, you should realize, okay, I ate it, I actually was fasting. I won't eat for the rest of the day. But then you're like, oh, fuck it, it's broken anyway. I might as well just eat properly now.
I think my empty thigh is broken. But yeah. It's just showing, like, it's not very, what's it called? I don't know how to explain it. But yeah. Alright, well, hold on. Be right back, bro. Be right back. 1 second. I need to pee. We are back, ladies and gentlemen, and we're still not entered yet. Oh, I lost him. I lost a viewer, bro. So I won't be right back. That sucks. Come on, come on. To be fair, since we lost a viewer, we could probably end it here and I'll just manage to trade by myself.
What was that?
We lost the viewer that we had because I went and be right back. But yeah. Well, on that note, I'm more than happy to end it here.
I still not entered.
No, I'm gonna keep going, but there you go.